Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to redeem rewards with Klarna. Alright, if you've been wondering how to get this done, this video is for you. I'm going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to do this. So let's not waste any time at all. Let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to log into your Klarna account. Now you can log into your account on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the rewards tab, and then you're going to select the reward that you want to redeem from the available options, and then just follow the redemption instructions to redeem that reward. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to redeem rewards with Klarna. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.